Leverage is the key to the life that you want and unlocking more life. What do I mean? Okay, so my name is Bryce Tubbs, right? So, leverage. There are a lot of different types of leverage. The leverage that I'm going to be talking about today is leveraging processes and leveraging other people's efforts to be able to go get you what you need. Okay? So, one way to leverage what you need and be able to start moving forward and in this online space and actually getting in front of more people who are actually going to care about what you have is that you need to have a lot of people be your attention partners. We're calling these guys influencers or attention partners, okay? You have to be able to get these people who have a relatively good sized audience to be able to say, hey, I endorse this person. This person is my friend. If you follow this person, you're going to be able to start getting more of what you want. The more people you can get to do that, the more that you're going to be able to actually, work less and get more. It's very simple, right? That tip alone probably could make someone watching this video six figures, okay? I'm not promising that to people watching, but that tip alone can make somebody six figures. Simple as that. You take exactly what you have, you take exactly the offer, exactly the message, exactly the point, and you just start using that tip. You're probably going to be able to make six figures, okay? But again, FTC, that's not a claim. Unless you can, but you probably won't. Okay? But going back to what we're talking about, once you understand how to get other people to work with you to accomplish your goals and happily do so, you're going to be able to get the life that you want. Why? Because then you're going to be able to just get a network effect. What is a network effect? A network effect is, or a flywheel effect. That's what Amazon calls it. It's basically when one good action causes another good action to happen, and then it starts being exponentially, better. Right? So it's going to basically do that. The curve of the graph is going to go whoop. So one person shares your stuff. Another person says, "Oh, I know that person," and then it doubles. So now 4 people know, and then now 8 people know, and then whatever 8 times 2, 16 people know, and then 32, and then 64. Whatever 64 times 2 is probably 128, and then 3. No. Yeah, 346. No, 356. Sorry, I was just doing some math. Whatever. But but that's how it starts to grow, and that's why people go viral. Okay, you don't need to go viral and get like 10 million people to see you. You only need to go viral and get maybe 1,000 people to know that you exist. Okay, because once you start getting people to understand, I'm sure that your message right now, maybe with a little bit of coaching, a little bit of training, is strong. You just have to learn how to understand what you sell. And then you have to be able to get more people to care about what you do. That is the first way that you can start doing that. If you do that tip and you learn how to leverage other people's, platform and their time and their endorsements and their ability, you're going to be able to move forward and faster in your life. Okay? If you actually want to, it's easier said than done. How do you actually get someone to, reach out and want to endorse you? Without having to manually go and send a message saying, "Hey, can you please endorse me? Hey, I know I just met you 5 minutes ago. Can you endorse me?" Or going to your friends, all 8 of your friends and all 10 of your family and asking them to do that. It's only going to take you so far, right? You have to be able to learn how to do that and how to actually get people to want to volunteer that for you. Get people, an army of people wanting to work with you and to help you out. Okay? If you want to learn how to do that, I recommend you go check out the link in the description either above or below the video. It's a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, it's starting to give you everything that you need to start moving forward step by step towards the life and the business I believe that, you're searching for. Whether that is the ability to go sit on the beach, work on your business, work on your business. Have fun while you're doing it and just listen to the wave. Maybe go dip inside the ocean and then come back out and just suntan for a minute. I don't know exactly what you want. For me, I sit under an umbrella because, I don't really want to get a tan. But but I don't know exactly what it is. Maybe you just want, a little bit extra savings. Maybe you want to be able to go, pay off your mortgage. Maybe you just want to get a better house, a better car. I don't know. Quit your job. I don't know exactly what it is for you. Maybe finally get that momentum and that winning tradition that, in your life. if that's what you're searching for, go check out the link in the description, either above or below the video. Tony Robbins oftentimes says success leaves clues. I recommend you go join this group so you can actually finally partake inside of the clues. How did I even get this information? I'm not that smart. I didn't just create this. I had to go and search it out from someone on the other side of the table. You and me are probably a lot alike, right? I didn't have somebody that I just knew growing up to be able to show me exactly what I needed to do to go get, a coaching business off the ground, to go get my financial future secure, right? I had to learn from someone who was already there, who already was making, over $1 million a year, to be able to show me how to actually go and, how to actually get this to work for myself. But that's why I'm able to transfer that to my clients, because it was so hard, because I had to learn that for myself, because I had to go get someone to show me how to do that. It allows me to be able to go and share that with you guys. But the only way you can actually get that information is if you go and join my group, okay, today. So, hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to go share this video by hitting that share button so someone else can benefit from this information as well as I've shared with you. Take it easy. Talk to you soon. Subscribe and see you later.